This is a retake of the huge elevators outside of IKEA in Aarhus, Denmark. There's lots of snow outside. I'll show more views later on. And it's this one. The capacity is monstrous, down to 0. Here's 0. Both of these elevators were built by PD in 2014. Back to 1. And yes, it also has indicators to tell you which lift it's going to be. Here's 0, now we'll go back to 1. And yes, there's lots of snow in Aarhus right now. Over there is Lisbjerg. You can also see parts of the Djurslandmotorvej. So lovely. And now this way is Randersvej. Beautiful. That's it.